The small cooler is a quarter turn. It doubles into a snack tray. You have your 2 cup holders, so you can place your cans right down there. And then also you can put your chips and sandwiches. Works great as a lunch pail. Good car cooler. You could sit on both the ice chests. The small cooler, you can put up to 250 pounds as a padded seat. So it holds a lot of weight on top of the ice chest. It fits a lot. It fits 18 cans or 9 bottles. So you have 14 cans in the main section that's with the ice. Now the ice from the main section will automatically chill the side pocket for you guys. So this is an important feature. A lot of the soft-sided coolers, a lot of coolers out there, they only have the department where you put your cans and your ice. There's no pockets for your snacks. So this, our coolers, it has the ice, it has the insulated side pocket, specifically designed for all your sandwiches, cold cuts, cheese, so it stays cold but dry, so your sandwiches don't get wet and soggy. And then on the other side of the cooler, you have your dried storage pocket. So peanuts, pretzels, chips. You can also put your electronics, your dried goods. No moisture will go through, so you don't have to worry about your electronics being destroyed. So it's safe on this pocket. Now, when your ice melts, it's very nicely insulated. Your drinks will stay cold for a full day in the small. That's in 110 to 115 degrees. Your cooler will not sweat on the bottom. So that's a very important feature. A lot of the soft-sided coolers out there, they sweat, they leak. The moisture gets all over your car seats, your clothing. So our coolers, no sweat, no condensation. Now, when your ice melts after a full day, now when you want to wash it, clean it, and drain it, you just take the cylinders right on out, wash them, clean them, drain them, place them right back in when you're done. Also, they fit perfectly right underneath the ice machines. So you can use it as a hotel ice chest. And then you have a padded shoulder strap, which is adjustable, which is nice. You just swing it on your shoulder. It's very lightweight, so that's a big thing too. A lot of coolers, they start off heavy, and then when you start putting your cans and your ice in, it gets very heavy. With ours, it starts off at 2.5 pounds, fully loaded. It's very easy to carry. Now we have going to the large cooler. We have the large ice chest is a swivel top lid. So it's a swing away lid, turns any direction, supported by a metal bolt on the bottom. It's sturdy, so you can place your drinks right on top. You don't have to worry about taking your drinks off when you need to get in and out of your ice chest. And then the features on the side pocket. So you got your seat up to 450 pounds. It holds 32 cans, 19 bottles, 2 liters or wine bottles. So it fits your long necks, your wine bottles. It fits 7 wine bottles in the large cooler. And then the side pockets are the same, just obviously larger. So you could actually fit 3-foot-long sandwiches on this side. And then on the other side, you have your dried storage pocket. So same features. You can put your electronics, same thing, chips, plastic forks, spoons, utensils, plastic plates. And then the bottom of the ice chest as well. No sweat, no condensation. Great for the beach, the park, the lake. Put it on your boat. If you do put it on a boat, if it drops overboard on the boat, it will float fully loaded. Both ice chests will. So a lot of people, they bring the small cooler tubing with them. So if you put it on your tube, great for that. Go down the river, the lake, and then you don't have to worry about if it does go overboard, you don't have to worry about it going all the way down. It will float fully loaded, which is a nice feature. Now you can carry both coolers on your shoulder with the padded shoulder strap, or you can go ahead and add it to the trolley that we have. So the trolleys are really nice to have. Here we're showing you what you could put on the trolley. So you could put your bag chairs on the trolley. You could put you could put 2 full-size beach chairs on it. So it's nice. You throw everything on one piece instead of having to carry everything separately. So it makes it a lot easier to go places. Now the full setup is equivalent to those big rectangular coolers, but it's standing upright. So you don't need several people to carry your coolers. You can push it in front, pull behind. We have the wheels. These are the tri-wheels, so they actually go up and down stairs. Or we have the all-terrain, which go through sand very nicely. So grass, gravel, dirt, and sand. The trolleys come with a gear bag. So extra storage, blankets, towels, chairs. So this is a nice feature to have all your extra stuff in the bag, in the back. And then also you can take your coolers off, flip the back to the front, you got a shopping cart. And also the bottom, it lays flat, so you can lay it flat, put your coolers on top. It doesn't take up too much space. A lot of coolers, they're heavy and they're hard to store away. And then also the wheels. These are the all-terrain wheels, so these go through grass, gravel, dirt, and sand really nicely. And then the nice thing with the full setup, so say you guys are going to go on a weekend vacation. several people, they'll put the small cooler in front with them, so that if they want to get their drinks easily, they can. It doesn't take up too much space. You can put it on the floorboard of your car. And then the larger cooler, you can put all your meats for grilling. So when you do get to your destination, your meats and your drinks and everything will be fresh. So, all right, thank you.